Hey there, it's E Squared Photography. I'm Erin.
And I'm Emily, and we are here to keep things simple and fun.
Do you find yourself really struggling with coming up with new poses and new ideas and where do I take my senior, where do I take my client from location to location? Well, we're going to show you today a little behind the scenes of how you can make just one location work for quite a long time.
And stick around until the end of the video because we have something that's going to help you.
By the end of this video today, we hope that you walk away a little bit more confident planning out your next session.
And for the best photography tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that bell for notifications of future videos, and don't forget every Monday we come out with a new video for you.
All right, so you are going to see some behind the scenes of one location. And by one location, we mean one building. Now, this building is absolutely nothing incredibly fancy. So that also kind of like makes you think a little bit outside the box when it comes to choosing your locations. But this is that one building and it's one outfit, and you're going to see all of the different ways and all of the different ideas that you can really add variety to this one spot and to this one outfit. And really, if you're having a hard time stretching out your session to be 1 or 2 hours long, you'll see how you can really simplify that by taking one or two locations and maybe 1 or 2 outfits and really coming up with a multitude of ideas for that one scenario.
Okay, so let's jump into the behind the scenes footage here.
Okay, let me just set my camera here first. Dun, 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 dun. She has. Okay, I'm gonna start. So we're using this wall to show you some things we would do with a wall. It's not really a wall, but we're pretending like it's a wall, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna do, and the reason I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna pull her far away so we can get more of a blurry background rather than putting her up really close. So I am shooting with the Nikon Z7, my 85 lens. My settings are ISO 200, shutter speed 1/500, and an f2.2 for my aperture. Okay, I'm gonna start with a walking pose with her. I always like to start with walking. So I'm gonna have you start here, and when you walk, I think one hand in your back pocket, and then you're gonna walk like this, nice and slow, and you're gonna start by just smiling at the camera. Okay. 1 sec, sorry. Okay, ready and go. Cute. Look away and smile. And back here. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Yes, perfect. Okay, go back. We'll do the same thing, except for this time I'm gonna have you do some serious. Because you have a beautiful serious look. Okay, ready and go. Yes, and look away. And back here. Perfect. Okay, now actually, let's step back to like right here. And I'm gonna have you put hands in back pockets, cross at your ankles for the first one. Actually, I wanna do something where because your legs look really long. Do something, yeah. Yes, perfect. Scooch this way just a touch. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna start with a up close one. Yeah, start serious. That's so loud. Okay, big smile. And now giggle this way. Okay. There is a helicopter here right now. If you can hear that, sorry. Okay. Do a serious looking away. Yep, keep doing that. Okay, stay there. Look at me, serious. And look away, serious. Oh my gosh, that's cool. Okay, now you're going to point your toes more this way, and you're gonna pop your right knee, and you're just gonna play with your rings, and you're gonna peek back towards me. Oh yeah, that's pretty, yes. And big smile, and pretend like you're giggling at someone towards that way. Yes, that's cute. That was really cute. Okay, now I'm going to, if there's ever somewhere by the wall, there's always somewhere by the wall where she can sit. I don't know why I was gonna say that. you can always find a place to sit. But there's a curb, so I'm gonna have her sit on this curb. So go ahead and sit on that curb. What does it look like if you knock your knees? Yeah, and then extend one even a little. Yes, yes. She's just kind of a natural, so she makes it very easy on me. Okay, so yeah, smile to start. And tilt your head a little bit. And then do your serious. And look that way, serious. And back here. Let me come closer. I'm gonna come from right here. And look away again. And back here and smile. Perfect. Okay, stand up. I'm actually now gonna go over here and use the wall over here, I think. Let's see. Maybe this wall's not gonna work anyway. Let's go back over here. What? Okay, come right here. Erin's instructing me to try something different here. Let's do, point your toes this way and pop your knee. Hands in back pockets. And then just kind of a twist other way. Yep, yep. Of course I'm like coughing now. Oh, except for you want me to be like, okay. Ooh, yeah, I like this. I don't like the handicap sign though that's in the background.
Yeah, I know.
I don't love that.
You can scoot.
Let me do a close up though. Stay right there. Okay, come this way. Okay. Oh, there's a cleaning person. Yeah, do the same thing. Okay, yeah. Oh, that's cute. Do a serious. Okay, I'm coming closer. And smile. Yes, perfect. Okay, now I want to do a couple like against the wall. Just trying to see. And I'm not going to go underneath the canopy because then it gets really dark and shadowy on her face. So I'm going to keep her out here. I'm just trying to peek and see if there's like a better wall on this side. Maybe. Let's try this. We'll see. Okay. I'm going to try something where you are going to kind of like put your feet out a little bit and exaggerate. Like point this toe, this hand behind, and this hand is on your lap. Okay. We switch spots here with this same pose just for a better look. Okay, yes, and do serious, yes. And now smile and do serious again. Yes, okay, now lean into like with your shoulder and you're gonna, so I can see your nails, you're gonna kind of let them up and then you're gonna grab across with your elbow and then actually keep straight up. Yeah, and then I'm gonna shoot from like this way, so you're gonna angle this way. Ooh, yes, that's pretty. Do a serious look out and then smile back here. Super cute. Okay, now lean your back against the wall. And can you kick one of your heels up? Actually, yeah, kick a heel up, that one up. And then can you put your hands like down like this? And then I'm gonna be out there, but can you kind of like lean yourself forward? And then just a little piece of your hair. Yep, you got it. Yeah, let it flow down that way. Yes, okay, let me back up. Oh, that's cute. And big smile. And I'm gonna come closer. So I'm gonna come even closer. And serious again. Yes. Okay, I wanna do a squatting one if we can. But let's go back over here. Excuse my coughing. It's not COVID. Yeah, okay, so do you remember the squatting pose we had you do at the last spot? Let's see if we can do that again. And do it like, let's go like right here. Yeah, and then dangle arm over and then in hair. Can you angle yourself just a little bit sideways? Yeah. Oh, I gotta get down low. Oh, this is so pretty. Look away and look the other way, serious too. I have her do both because I don't know which one I'll like. Okay, smile here and giggle away. Oh, yeah, bring your hand. Yeah. Okay, now sit on your butt. Can you go like that? Yeah, you can go like this, can you? Yeah, okay, and then grab like this. And then just a head tilt. And let's start serious. And big smile. And I'm gonna come closer and see if. Ooh, oh my gosh, so pretty. And do a serious again. Perfect. Okay, so I would do that. I mean, I could do a ton more here with a wall. Like we're saying that that's a wall. It's not necessarily a wall, but you can see the variety we can get with just one spot.
All right, so go ahead now that you've watched that, comment below and let us know a location that you love to use. What is the location? What does it look like? Comment below and let us know. And if you are a senior photographer or interested in seniors, boys and girls, we do have a free posing guide in the video description below that you can take a look at and download to help you at your next session.
And if you enjoyed this video today, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with a friend so we know to make more videos just like this one.
And if you don't already, follow us on Instagram at e2photography for even more behind the scenes footage of us at sessions. And we will see you next Monday.